I am going to mess with the fire alarms in the house. Ha 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 ha.
Oh shit, the fire alarm is going off. There must be a gas leak or a fire in this house.
Ha 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 ha. This is so funny.
Was it you that set off the fire alarm?
As a matter of fact, I did. I am so sorry.
Oh my god, are you kidding me? Caillou, you do not ever set off fire alarms unless you see smoke or fire. How could you?
I cannot believe you did this. Now I spilled ink on my music because the fire alarm scared the living shit out of me. And it's all your fault. I can't complete my music now. My music looks like shit all thanks to you.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Caillou, how dare you set off the fire alarm inside this house? You scared the shit out of Mozart, and now his music looks like shit. That's it. You are grounded, 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 grounded for 6 weeks. Go to your room right now.
I can't believe Caillou made you spill ink on your music, Peppers. All thanks to him.
Now I have to start all over. I just can't believe it.